Hello, I am Krishna Mene. As a part of science project, I am going to tell about four topics. First one, Hermite polynomial. Second one, Legware's polynomial. Third one, use of Hamiltonian and Lagrangian mechanics in rocket dynamics. Fourth one, moment of inertia matrix. Now, I am going to tell about Hermite polynomial. Now, I am going to tell about Hermite polynomial. Introduction. Hermite polynomial is a polynomial which belongs to the classical orthogonal polynomials. Now let Q and L be some fixed polynomials. Let Fn be a function from R to R. And generally orthogonal polynomials is the solution of the differential equation which I am going to write below. This is the differential equation which the solution is the orthogonal polynomial. Here lambda belongs to R, means lambda is some constant, and this Hermite polynomial has wide range of applications. Not only Hermite polynomial, these orthogonal polynomials have wide range of applications. Hermite polynomial was first studied by Laplace, and then it was contributed by Chekhov, and later it was brought into theory by Charles Hermite. So this equation was given by his name, and so it was called Hermite polynomial. There were different applications based on Hermite polynomial, but we consider only mechanical aspect of Hermite polynomial. I am going to write the equation of Hermite polynomial. The equation is stated as below. Hermite polynomial equation: Hn of x is equal to -1 whole power n into e power x square dn by dx power n into e power minus x square. This is the Hermite polynomial equation. Now substituting various values of n, like n is equal to 0 or 1 or 2, we will get h0 of x is equal to 1, h1 of x is equal to 2x, h2 of x is equal to 4x square minus 2. Like several polynomials, it also has recursive form. Now I am going to write the recursive form of Hermite polynomial. We can solve the equation of Hermite polynomial by this recursive form by standard mathematical methods. I am writing the recursive form of the Hermite polynomial. Hn plus 1 of x is equal to 2x into Hn of x minus Hn dash of x. It also satisfies orthogonality. Why? Because we call Hermite as belongs to the classical orthogonal polynomials. This is the reason. This recursive form will satisfy the orthogonality. As it satisfies orthogonality, we can write this equation: x into e power minus x square dx is equal to root pi 2 power n into direct delta function n comma m. Direct delta function, we know that it is 1 when n is equal to m, it is 0 when n not equals to m. అందనే పెట్టలే ఇక్కడ నుంచి రెడీ స్టార్ట్ కొడితే అవుతుందా? Now I am going to tell about the application of this Hermite polynomial. It is used in probability, combinatorics and the numeric analysis, and mainly Hermite polynomial is studied in getting the eigenstates of quantum harmonic oscillators and in Gaussian, and to find the Gaussian noise. Now I am going to tell about Legware's polynomial. This Legware polynomial also belongs to the family of orthogonal polynomials. we already defined the equation, the differential equation of the orthogonal polynomial in the Hermite polynomial description. So I am now going to tell about Laguerre polynomial only, and it was brought into theoretical form by a French mathematician, Edward Nicolas Blackberry. It has its applications in complex analysis, in maths, and in science it has various applications in quantum mechanics. Now I am going to write the equation and solution of Laguerre polynomial. Laguerre polynomial is the solution of the following differential equation. Now let x and y be two polynomials, some fixed polynomials, and alpha be any real number. Means in the generalized form we can put alpha is equal to 0, but I am putting alpha as any real number, means alpha belongs to R. Alpha belongs to R means alpha is some constant. Now the differential equation will be like this: x y double dash plus alpha plus 1 minus x into y dash plus xy is equal to 0. In the generalized Laguerre polynomial we can put alpha is equal to 0. Now the solution of this differential equation is the Laguerre polynomial. Now the solutions for when we put alpha is equal to some L0 of some values, it is like this: L0 alpha of x is equal to 1, L1 alpha of x is equal to some x, not x square, minus x plus alpha plus 1, and L2 alpha of x is equal to plus x square by 2 minus alpha plus 2 into x plus alpha plus 2 into alpha plus 1 by 2. Here we can write the generalized form by putting alpha is equal to 0. This L0 of x and L1 of x are the values for their respective numbers. Like Hermite polynomial, there is a recursive form for this Laguerre polynomial also. Now I am writing the recursive equation of this polynomial. Recursive form will be like this: L k plus 1 alpha of x is equal to 2k plus 1 plus alpha minus x into Lk alpha of x minus k plus alpha into L k minus 1 alpha by k minus k plus 1. By writing its explicit expression, we will get Ln of x is equal to sigma k is equal to 0 to n nck minus 1 whole power k by k factor into x power k. Since this Laguerre polynomial belongs to the family of orthogonal equations, it satisfies the following equation: integral 0 to infinity x power alpha into e power minus x ln alpha of x into lm alpha of x dx is equal to tau of n plus alpha plus 1 by n factor into Dirac delta function n comma m. As we know that it is 1 when n equal to m, it is 0 when n not equals to m. It is orthogonal over 0 to infinity with respect to measure its weighting function. There are so many applications for this Laguerre polynomial. This is mainly used in the quantum mechanics. Why? Because its equation is used for solving mainly in the radial part of energy states of hydrogen atom.